Brisbane to Cairns. So I just had to go buy some stuff. I do have a rooftop tent in my back, and then I've got my tub racks in the mail getting delivered to home sometime this week. So here I've got my sunshade for my windscreen because my car does get hot and I don't want it to break. Here we have a rust guard. So the rust guard, get away. So the rust guard will protect the car from rusting when I do install my tub racks, which you guys will see in the video. Then I've got a funnel for my engine oil. So my engine oil, I've got the diesel C3. Yes, it did cost me a fair bit, about $106. But my car is due for that. In the back here, this is part of my tent, my rooftop tent. It is a 2NX tent that will be getting installed on my car. So I do just have that. And then I've got my drilling set. So this drilling set, I've had to buy it because I am installing my roof racks by myself, and I needed something to get through my metal bit on the bunker. And yes, so this has 64 accessories also, measuring tape, box cutter, a drill, and a nice fancy little box to go with it. And yes, that's pretty much all that I've got here. And I will show you the rooftop tent real soon. I have my fishing bucket and all the stuff I've got in it. Then I've got my bag of a blanket, etc. Car wash basket, my casting net, bolts that I don't need, my water tank, and of course my lovely fishing rod that you guys did see in the video. And over here I've got my 3 camper chairs, 1, 2, and 3. Yes, that I will be having in my truck also. So the roof rack tent that I've got will be protecting, well, it will be leveled up, so I will have room in my tub bed to put anything in it. Then you have my awning, but I will put that back in the car, so when it is time we can do it. And then in the car I've got my bolts for the rooftop tent. Then we've got the 2 poles that I will also have. I'll keep all that in. I will put my awning back. Well, it's not an awning, but it's another little room storage for the rooftop tent if I don't want to get on top. But yes. And then I also had to get pegs because we are running low on pegs.
Inside, I can't do suit and tie. Can't be in one room with you and stand on different sides. One thing at a time, I have to learn to hide. One thing at a time, emotions running high. I wish you felt alright, just hitting my line.
Alright, so in my setup, now that I've got my sunshade on my windscreen, this will be coming off. I will be taking it off, and as you see in it I have my rooftop. So this is the cover, and in it is the tent, which I will have set in here with my tub racks over. And as you see, this is broken, so it doesn't lock. And yes, but once my car cools down, the engine, I will put the engine oil in, which you guys will be watching me doing that. So we'll put the oil in, and then we will hopefully take the rooftop tent off soon. Oh, I also got one other thing that I did not show, because in my defense it did fall. Okay, I've got one of these. So this is the triple accessory socket plus USB power adapter for my rooftop tent that I will have put through my tub over here. There's like a little input, and I'll have it running up to my rooftop tent.
Then we just mad as fuck. We was living fast as fuck. That's what get me high enough. All these people always lying or something. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what? Fuck, I'm gonna be sorry for that.
I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero. Niggas, green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes. At what cost?
Hit Mercedes, bought some free cars.
I know, this nigga's worse off. Maybe my sense of reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Who am I to sound how this shit goes? That's sarcasm, by the way.
You wanna be my hero. You won't even do the hell. Oh, this shit don't add up. You don't even know the math. I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways, but love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away.
Okay, so that's what the finishing look. You know, looks very good, very slay. But we still stuff here.
Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You with it, bitch, nah, I'll be there. Be there. I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways.